Looking for the best rugged case for your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? Whether you're prone to accidental drops, love outdoor adventures, or just want extra protection for daily life, a rugged case can keep your phone safe without slowing you down. From built-in kickstands and magnetic mounts to military-grade drop protection and sliding camera covers, the right case gives you durability, convenience, and style all in one. In this video, we'll break down the top options so you can find the perfect case for your Galaxy S26 Ultra. The SUPCASE UB Pro Mag case for Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is built to provide strong protection and useful everyday features. It comes with a 0.2mm HD PET built-in screen protector that offers over 95% light transmittance, helping maintain display clarity and smooth touch response while protecting the screen from scratches. Installation is simple and bubble-free. The case also includes two interchangeable front frames, one with the screen protector and one without, so you can choose the setup you prefer. For magnetic accessories, the case features an N52 high-strength magnet that delivers up to 1,800 grams of magnetic force, ensuring stable compatibility with MagSafe accessories and wireless charging. The case uses a TPU and polycarbonate dual-layer design with a tough back panel and shock-absorbing edges. A four-corner airbag structure helps absorb impact during drops. It's been tested for drops up to 20 feet and meets military-grade protection standards. It also includes a built-in kickstand for hands-free viewing in portrait and landscape mode, plus a detachable rotating belt clip holster for convenient and secure carrying during daily use or outdoor activities. The Dexnor Shielder series case for Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is designed to provide reliable protection while adding practical features for everyday use. It includes a sliding camera cover that helps protect the camera lenses from scratches, dust, and accidental bumps. With a simple slide, the cover securely locks in place, keeping the camera safe when it's not in use. The case also features a durable foldable kickstand that allows you to enjoy hands-free viewing. Whether you're watching videos, making video calls, or browsing content, the stand provides stable support in different situations. For display protection, the case offers two front frame options. One frame includes a built-in PET screen protector to guard against scratches and dust, while the second frame allows you to use the phone without a screen protector if you prefer a direct screen feel. Built with military-grade drop protection, the rugged bumper design helps absorb shocks and impacts from accidental drops, providing dependable durability. This case is specifically designed for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, ensuring a precise fit while still supporting wireless charging so you can charge your device conveniently without removing the case. The SURITCH rugged case for Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is a multifunctional protective case designed specifically for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. It offers a precise fit, so it's important to make sure you are using the correct phone model before purchasing. This case features a powerful magnetic attachment with up to 13.28 newtons of magnetic strength, allowing it to securely connect with magnetic accessories such as wireless chargers and car mounts. This strong magnetic hold ensures a stable and convenient experience when charging or mounting your phone. For camera protection, the case includes a built-in camera cover that helps protect the lenses from scratches, dust, spills, and accidental impacts. The cover is fully foldable up to 180 degrees and has been tested for over 5,000 folds to ensure long-term durability and smooth operation. The case also includes a reinforced aluminum alloy kickstand that's strong and rust-resistant. It allows stable hands-free viewing in both landscape and portrait modes, making it convenient for watching videos or making video calls even while wireless charging. Despite its rugged protection, the case maintains a slim and lightweight design. The anti-slip matte texture provides a secure grip, while the slim profile makes it easy to slide the phone in and out of your pocket. The ESR Cyber Tough case for Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra features precise cutouts for the speakers and ports, along with responsive buttons, ensuring full access to all phone functions. This case offers military-grade protection and has been rigorously tested to provide 7 times stronger protection. It also includes reinforced air guard corners that help absorb shocks and reduce damage from accidental drops and impacts. For added convenience, the case features powerful built-in magnets that deliver up to 1,500 grams of magnetic strength, allowing faster and more secure attachment to MagSafe accessories and supports wireless charging. The case also includes a built-in stash stand tested for over 3,000 uses. The stand not only helps protect the camera, but also supports adjustable viewing angles from 15 to 85 degrees in both portrait and landscape modes, making it convenient for watching videos or making video calls, even while wireless charging. The Poetic Revolution case for Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is a rugged and feature-packed case designed to protect your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra from everyday damage. It includes a sliding camera cover that shields the lenses from scratches, bumps, and shocks, keeping your camera safe. Built for durability, this case is military-grade drop-tested up to 20 feet. It provides full protection from drops, impacts, scratches, and shocks, covering the phone from all angles. The case also features extra raised lips and reinforced corners to keep the screen safe. For convenience, it has a built-in pull-out kickstand, allowing hands-free viewing in both portrait and landscape modes. Additionally, the case comes with a privacy glass screen protector that hides your personal information from prying eyes while preserving the phone's original touch sensitivity. This combination of features makes it ideal for both protection and everyday usability. That's a look at the best rugged cases for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Whether you want ultimate protection, a handy kickstand, or MagSafe compatibility, there's a case for every need. Pick the one that fits your lifestyle and keep your phone safe, stylish, and ready for anything. Thanks for watching.